Student Body President at the University of Wisconsin-Eau Claire. Eau Claire is an institution of over 11,000 students and over 1,000 unionized faculty and staff. I, on behalf of the 180,000 UW students, stand together with you in solidarity. For the past 4 days, students from around this state have stood in solidarity with public employees. Those public employees that are their mothers and fathers, their brothers and sisters, and yes, their teachers. There are too many who say the spark of activism and action has died in this generation of students. They can tell that to the thousands of students that have occupied this Capitol for days. They can tell that to the students who slept in the Capitol waiting for just the chance for their voices to be heard. They can tell that to the thousands of high school students that walked out of their classrooms right to this Capitol. They can tell that to the thousands of UW students on 12 campuses that walked out of their classes today with their faculty. The rallies this week are the largest in the history of this Capitol. It's fair to say the student movement is here to stay. The governor in his press release said that this bill wouldn't affect students and that they should go home. I say, since we're walking out, there's plenty of room for him in the classroom. I tell students that they should care about this because the faculty that teach us, the support staff that run the offices, and the custodians that keep the buildings from falling down are having their very livelihoods attacked by this so-called budget repair bill. That is why students in the tens of thousands are standing here at the Capitol and at their campuses in solidarity with the working people of this state. This great state was built on the backs of labor unions, and we will not let that be forgotten. Because regardless of whether we are teachers or students, custodians or bricklayers, public sector or private sector, firefighters and police or the people they protect, today we are all union. So it is time for all of us, the us's who have been pushed around and walked on too much, to join together in one voice and one message. Kill the bill. 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 It is now my pleasure to introduce Rebecca Moravec. Thank you.